Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to promote or advertise your Etsy shop. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just going to follow this Etsy Help Center article. And basically those are some suggestions or some things, tips that would allow you to advertise your Etsy shop. And as you can see, marketing your shop and products is an important part of running the business. And here you can have some tools or tips so you can uh, optimize your advertisement. So basically, tips for optimizing your listing. You will need to make your titles short and sweet, describe your items accurately, have clear, enticing product photos, price competitively, and clearly communicate purchasing details like shipping timelines and options. And basically, you would be able to do that from the shop manager. So basically, let's just go back, and from here, we will need to go to our shop manager. And now in the shop manager, you will need just to go to your listing, and from here you will be able to edit your listing, and then you will need just to make some changes on the listing. And basically, here we are going to see this Reddit. And those are some suggestions that you can be able to do for for your listing, so you can advertise your shop. So here, it is suggested to not focus on social media, but invest time only on it. And basically, you can optimize your existing listing by changing your pics and improve it, or making sure that you have enough pictures as well. Also, if you are able to add a video for your listing. Also, you can work on increasing the number of listings so you can add the visibility on your shop. Lastly, you can track few competitors on your niche and learn what they are doing right, like the titles, if they are short, long, the pricing, and all the things. Also, you can start using some tools of Etsy, such as marketing here and using Etsy ads so you can push your shop. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.